Alright guys, this is Kevin from Richmond Upholstery. I'm going to show you how to remove this seat portion here. Pretty much transfer your heating element, replace it, and install the new cover. Right here, you're going to see two screws, one here, also one here. They're usually torque bits. I'm going to remove these, and then this whole bottom portion is just going to remove from the vehicle. So pretty much going to need pretty simple tools. Just a T30 right here, and then a pick tool to unplug some stuff here. There's two nuts under here, pretty much right here. We're going to undo both of these and then go ahead and remove just the bottom portion. Not going to remove the whole entire seat, just going to remove this bottom portion. Alright, so I've already loosened up these with the T30, so I'm going to do the rest by hand. Now once you remove it, you're going to get a bracket like this. That's going to come right off. You have your T30 torque bit right here. It's going to pop right off. Once you have that done, the seat's just going to pull right up. Pull it out a little. Now once you remove these two plugs here, they kind of clip together. I'm going to unclip it. And the black one comes off. And that's pretty much how you remove the whole bottom portion. Very, very easy. Take it off. Now it's out of your vehicle. You're gonna have all this left behind. This plug comes, these two plugs come from here. I'll have some photos as well showing how it's done. Pretty much use a little pick like this and just kind of push it down. Releases them, pop right out. Now some of them do have a zip tie right here that holds them, similar to this right here. This particular one did not. And then this kind of sits right here. So once all is said and done, it'll go ahead and sit right back here. You see these little grooves? They're going to be sitting here. And boom, they just lock into place like that. Alright, now that we have the seat out the vehicle, we're just going to use a flathead. Just kind of go to the edge here, and we're just going to pop off this J-clip. That's it. Once you go, just guide the rest with your hand and it'll come right off. Same thing here. Get under. That's it. Just going to pop right off. There you go. Most of them will just come right off with your hand. Use a flathead, kind of make it faster. Start flipping it inside out. This. Kind of peel it back like a t-shirt. Front clip is going to be the trickiest. Once you get that off, it'll be golden. And then you might find it easier to kind of put some compression on the frame while you're trying to take it off as well. Similar here, just kind of flip it inside out. Inside out. Now you'll see, kind of get a close up right here, that the seat is held by these little white clips in there. So pretty much same thing. I'm going to use a flathead. I'm just going to try to get in between that white clip, and it's just going to detach. And give it a little twist. Boom, done. Same thing. Now I've seen these clips white, blue, yellow, all different colors, but most of them are generally white. This one has a little bit mix of blue. Perfect. Oh, this one clip it back on. Same thing you'll see right around here. There'll be some blue. Same thing, you're just going to kind of fit your flathead in there and just twist. Alright, now that you have your cover removed from the foam and frame, you're going to kind of see these metal wires, and to dispose of these you'll no longer need them. You're going to need a razor blade or something like a box cutter to kind of get these stubborn little things out. Catch onto the net. Now once you've done that, you're going to see that the element is actually attached to the cover. I'm going to show you how you're going to do that. You're just going to kind of unstitch it with the razor blade gently and kind of just go along and probably speed this process up. There we go. One down, two more to go. Now this is the part where the pad is connected to the actual cover. Same thing. Come all the way down to the edge. Then you'll start working the middle. Like I said, if you don't worry about touching the cover, because you're just going to dispose of that anyways, or even this gray pad as well. go. Now you have your cover separated from your heating element. Same thing. You'll see that I've removed one. I've left these, and I'm going to just show you right now what we're going to do for this when you're going to use this, reuse this for your cover. Now, same thing, you're going to see where it connects, and you're going to see holes along the way coming down. Now this here is your heating element. You don't want to actually cut that. What you're going to do is get that same razor blade or box cutter, whatever you have, just kind of make an incision here all the way down to this hole here. Same thing from here, opposite side, going to make it all the way to where the last hole is at. You're also going to make one here, and obviously don't connect them. Same thing here. And make the holes. These holes pretty much indicate where these line up on your phone. So once you make the cut, you're going to feed the blue clip through and get that going for you.